Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my kitchen, and welcome to those who just been here in my channel for the first time. Fluidity of life. Today we're gonna bake banana bread. I heard this recipe is really good. It's by Mystic Lake Casino. Actually, this is the recipe. So here are the ingredients, guys. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup pack of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, sunflower oil, 2 eggs, large eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 3 large ripe bananas. The darker the bananas, the sweeter they are. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This goes in here, the buttermilk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, guys, we'll start prepping all the ingredients. Guys, we're gonna mash these bananas with a hand mixer on low speed. I think, guys, it's better to mash the banana first by hand with a fork. That's what the recipe said. I guess this sometimes the machine, the manual, your hand is better than the machine. Okay, at least I'm giving the machine a little bit of help. Here we go. Okay, then we're gonna add the oil, sugar, sour cream, a teaspoon of salt, vanilla, 1 tablespoon, eyeball as usual, and the eggs, and the two eggs. Beat again on low speed. Then add your flour in 2 batches. I can tell this must be a good, yummy banana bread. Forget to scrape off the sides. Then mix your 1 tablespoon of baking soda to your buttermilk. Mix it good. And mix it to the mixture. One more mix. I'm oiling the pan and throw away the extra flour. Just better smell. Tap 3 times. Then this is ready to go to the oven. Bake for 50 minutes to an hour. Hi guys, welcome back after an hour. Look at that. Looks like it's burned, but it's not. It's because I used brown sugar, I think, and the banana. Okay, we're gonna try how this tastes like.
What do you think?
Yeah, look at that. Spread some butter while it's still hot. Indulgence sometimes.
Proof.
It's moist and crunchy on the outside. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Fluidity of life. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys for those that already subscribed to our channel, and for those that haven't yet, you can please subscribe. And shout out to Laila Cantoria and Esperanza Ramiro. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Bye, Fluidity of Life.